Good morning, second graders. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, and the year is 2020. Today is your asynchronous day, your day to work at your own pace and do your assignments as you wish. So here are the second grade teachers. We all hope that you have a wonderful day. Here are the materials you will need for learning today. This morning you'll need a pencil, your blank book, a handwriting book, and your word workbook. This afternoon you'll need a pencil, your daily math practice packet, a notebook, or a whiteboard. This morning for literacy, we would like you to go to Seesaw Activities and do a reading comprehension sheet. This is called Peaceful Playgrounds. Now, one of the things that we want to be sure you understand is that you need to read the questions carefully and answer the questions in complete sentences. So for number 1 and number 5, please be sure that you answer in a complete sentence. So I can go over and show you what this looks like. Here is the activity. It's asking you to read the passage very carefully, read it more than once, and then also remember to go back to the text as you're answering the questions if you need some help. All right, second graders, so that is literacy. Then for literacy workshop, you will need your green word workbook and you will be doing ABC order. Remember, there is a Seesaw activity for this as well, and there is a video teaching you how to put words into ABC order if that is something that you have forgotten or need a quick refresher. Today, you will also be working in your pink handwriting book and you will do uppercase letter P. There are 2 strokes. The first stroke goes from the top line to the bottom line, and then you need to pick up your pencil and go from the top line and curve around to the middle line. So it is an uppercase P. We would also like you to find time today to read for 20 minutes. Find a nice, quiet, and comfortable spot. Then for writing today, we would like you to keep working in your blank book. We have given you blank books. You may need some more blank books at this point in the year. Maybe you filled all of yours up. If you need some more, let your teacher know. But today, keep working on your blank book story. Then you'll have lunch recess time, and after lunch recess time, you can work in specialists. So today, it looks like all second grades have a music activity that they are expected to complete from Miss Leodova. Then for math, you will first do daily math practice, do week 8, day 3. So look at each problem carefully, answer your questions completely, and then you will take a picture and upload that into Seesaw as well. The other thing you'll do for math today is IXL math activities. You will have 2 starred assignments from your teacher. And remember, we're working in math only, and today we want you to do the starred activities, the activities that your teacher has recommended. You will do 2-digit subtraction. That's one of the activities. And then the other activity is making a repeating pattern. So please go into IXL and find those starred activities. If you do not remember how to do that, there is a video here for you to watch. Then you have another assignment in coding to do today, and it is lesson number 13, sticker art with loops. So please be sure that you go to code.org and log in and do lesson number 13. And then the last thing we want you to do today is a zones of regulation checkout. Let us know how you're feeling. Let us know what you're thinking. And then there is a joke of the day. And remember, we will see you on Thursday. Second graders, you are kind and you are smart and you can do hard things. So have a great Wednesday, everyone. If you have a question, you can leave a note for your teacher. Otherwise, have a super good day and we will see you on Thursday.